In the James Bond, it is said that
Not trust a Swiss banker? What's the world come to?
if you cannot believe a Swiss banker, don't know what will happen to the world. There are many such movies in which Swiss employees have been gun pointed. Then also they didn't tell about the information. The first thing is that why does the Swiss bank is famous all over the world, and why do the most powerful people around the world deposits money in the Swiss bank? What is the benefit of this, and can I open an account from India to Swiss bank? What are the documents required, and why numbered account is famous? We will discuss all these things in detail, so watch till the end and do subscribe our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Word Comparison. Before talking about Swiss bank, let's understand the black money. What is black money? Any money whose source has been hidden from the government is a black money. Number 1. Source is hidden by doing illegal activities such as betting, extortion, and second, by doing legal activities. Like if a shopkeeper is selling things is not an illegal activity, but if he is not giving bills by selling and assembling the money in the form of cash, then it is a black money. In an ideal economy, the government must have the record of every transaction. Whose record is not found is a black money. Black money cannot be used easily in the market. For hiding and turning into white, people use different ways. The most famous one is depositing money in the Swiss account. The word Swiss bank is not a single bank. All the banks of Switzerland are known as a Swiss bank. But due to some rules of Switzerland banks, its banks are famous all over the world. In the year 1730, Switzerland government made a law that the bank will not share any details of its customer. After that, the capital Geneva and in France and other European countries, powerful people started depositing money in the Swiss bank. And from here starts a culture of silence and secrecy. It becomes very important for Swiss bank. After this rule, the flow of money from the outside was proved to be beneficial for the government. After this, in 1934, the Swiss government again passed the law, the Banking Act of 1934. According to Article 47, if any bank share the details of its customer with any government all over the world or to any tax agency, then it is a punishable offense even if the details are of the criminal. If anyone violates this, punishment could be up to 5 years. All over the world, this is very strict banking law of that time. Due to this, Switzerland became an attractive destination for the rich and powerful people because they don't have to answer for their immense wealth, not even to their government. The first choice of Osama bin Laden was the Swiss bank. The speciality of the Swiss bank was that it is politically neutral. Switzerland has no enmity with anyone. During the Cold War, when countries were bound to decide between the US and the Soviet Union, at that time Switzerland was neutral. During the Second World War, also Switzerland selected the path of neutrality. There is no engagement of Switzerland in the war. This is the biggest advantage for any country. Let me tell you how at that time of World War, those who thought that Hitler will attack us, all these countries started depositing money in the Swiss bank. We come to know that in 1944, the Interior Minister of Germany, Heinrich Himmler, sent a special train under which contained thousands and crores of gold, jewelry and paintings, which is being submitted to the vault of the Swiss bank. It is not always true that depositor is always rich and powerful. Most of the people deposit here rather for privacy. The countries which have an unstable government or whose banks are not credible. With this, the currency of Switzerland, Swiss franc, is one of the premium currencies of the world. Due to all these, people trust comparatively more Swiss banks, and the Swiss bank is fully aware of this. That's why the countries such as G20 or OECD group made time to time pressure on the Swiss government to unloose the rules, but Swiss government ignored most of the countries. In fact, more strict rules were made that if any bank official gives outside the information, then it is considered to be punishable offense. Now, Swiss bank's account opening. Let's see how to open a Swiss bank account. Any person from all over the world can open an account in Swiss bank. People like you and me can also open account in the Swiss bank from home, but the only problem is that you must have minimum of 1 million Swiss franc. Maximum has no limit. The minimum age must be 18 years, valid passport which has validity at least 6 months. You also have to submit your resume that contains details about like your skills and where have you worked, how have you received the fund. You have to give the details. You can connect to any time zone and language in Switzerland. Every facility is available for an international customer. Before it was a simple process, but there is a lot of international pressure on Switzerland and new money laundering laws were implemented. So it becomes comparatively more difficult to open a Swiss bank account into the Swiss bank. But even after all, more money started coming into the Swiss bank after COVID. As I gave example of World War, today Ukraine-Russia war is going on. The same thing is happening due to uncertainty. The people of Ukraine and Russia want to keep money somewhere safe. It has increased the demand of Swiss bank. When digitalization was going around the world, the Swiss bank opted for digitalized infrastructure and tried to connect users with a mobile payment system. According to the mobile payment survey of 2020, people in Switzerland use mobile payment system more than cash. No matter how far ahead Switzerland is, it is not in anyone's capability to leave India behind digitalization. In 2022, there were more than 730 crore digital payments in India, highest in the world. Now, Swiss Bank's secret vaults. The normal account in the Swiss Bank can be opened by anyone, even we can open it from India if we fulfill the minimum requirements. But the Swiss Bank is famous for its numbered account, the account where powerful and rich people put their money. It is not easy to open numbered account. You have to physically visit Switzerland. Your privacy is taken care of in this numbered account. If the agreement of tax related information exchange is not with Switzerland, then Swiss Bank will not share any of your information, no matter what. This number account has a unique code instead of a name. No one knows what's going on in these accounts other than some of the people from bank. Normally, if you have to send money to someone in India, then you need the person's name, account number, IFSC code, branch, etc. But for the numbered account of the Swiss bank, you have to share a number and everything will be done. Only some officials of the bank have the details. The rest of its details do not go to anyone. In a numbered account, regulatory compliance, anti-money laundering obligations are checked. It's not like anyone can deposit money. Here it has a proper verification, and once your Swiss account is opened, then the customer privacy is the number one priority of the Swiss bank. The computer of the Swiss bank for numbered account doesn't have even the customer's name. No employee of the bank can see your identity. If there is a cyber crime, your name will not come up. The bank statement does not contain the name of the account holder. It has only number. That is the basis of the whole account. It is costly to run the numbered account. Its annual charges are $300. If you live outside of Switzerland, then the bank can charge you non-residential fees. The Swiss bank gives you facility. If you want that the bank statement does not reach your country, then it has the facility as information can reach the government through bank statement. But to not send the bank statement, you have to pay the fee. In other bank, you have to pay extra fee for sending the bank statement, but it is opposite here. A few years ago, it was possible that you could do international wire transfer only by using numbers, but now it is not possible. If you transfer money to a Swiss number account from outside of Switzerland, then the Swiss bank has to share your identity with a foreign bank. And when details were leaked in one or two cases, then this was stopped. When you open a number account in Swiss bank, you don't get even a checkbook, as the whole purpose of numbered account then will be ruined. Trial of the transaction in your account can be caught. So other than this, Swiss bank provides you a traveler's check that is issued by them. In that, all the details and amount are already mentioned. You just have to use it as a currency. You might have heard in news that when a particular celebrity was investigated, traveler's check from the Swiss bank was found. For the traveler's check, bank take an extra 1% commission. You can rent a safe deposit box in Swiss bank numbered account in which things can be kept. A safe deposit box is always connected to the bank account. Big people hide their precious things here. Swiss bank provides a secret bank vault for special customers that are in underground bunkers that has storage facilities where people can hide gold, diamonds or any physical items. Many of these bunkers are located in the mountains of Switzerland. These bunkers were created by military. They were purchased by the Swiss bank later. These are not provided to all the customers, only for those who cleared many types of security clearance. These bunkers were isolated from the roads connectivity. Only planes and helicopters can reach there, so the security is high. These lockers rent is approx $5 lakh. Now imagine, if the rent is this much, then how valuable items are in them. But there are many rich people around the world. These vaults are easily rented out. After the financial crisis of 2008, people have lower trust in currencies and buy gold and diamonds and keep them in these bunkers and transfer it to their generation with a code. There are some situations when the Swiss bank gives their customers information to foreign government, but the government should have substantial criminal allegations calculations, tax fraud is not considered a big crime in Switzerland, so the information is not given in tax fraud case. But according to the website of Swiss Bankers Association, if the cases are money laundering, terrorist financing, blackmailing, then the information can be shared. But only the information will be shared, not the money. This information is only shared to stop criminal activities. Now, interest rates. The Swiss bank has another special features. Customer get interest when they put money in other banks. As in India, you get 2.5 to 7% interest, but interest in the Swiss bank is minus 0.75%. That means you have to give interest. If you have rupees 1 lakh, you have to give rupees 750 to Swiss bank. But still, people who keep their money here are in profit. The reason is their strong and stable currency. 1 Swiss franc is equal to 88 rupees. That means if someone converted their currency in Swiss franc in 2010 and deposited in Swiss bank, its value in 2023 will get double. The economy of Switzerland is different from the other countries. Inflation in other countries rises, but they have negative inflation, and if it ever happens, it is about 1%. In 2022, when every country was in bad condition, at that time the inflation in Switzerland was only 1.3%. Switzerland's economy is stable, that every person wants to be associated with that economy. It gives safety and also the value will increase. Now, death of account holder. If the account holder in a Swiss bank dies, if they have the nominee, then the money will be transferred to the nominee. But if there is no nominee and the account holder dies, then the Swiss bank does not even know, as the Swiss bank doesn't contact any account holder, as it can reveal the secrecy of account holder. But now Swiss bank has the rule that if there is no activity in 10 years in any bank account, then the Swiss bank can contact the account holder, and if they can't contact the account holder, then that account is blocked. It was done with the lakhs of accounts at the time of World War, but there was no activity in Osama bin Laden's account for 6 years. At that time, the Swiss bank blocked his account. Osama opened Swiss bank account in 1990 and he did no activity in that account till 1997. The Swiss bank blocked his account in 1997 because at that time there were no such rules regarding such accounts and there was a lot of pressure from America. As a result, $25.5 million were blocked. So this was the information regarding Swiss bank. So if you want to watch more informative content like this, please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.